से फिशिंग ऐसा ब्लास्टिंग करके मार के खाया। क्या है? या मछली है क्या है? बड़ी तो मिले।
Piranha. Legends tell of the most ferocious fish in the world. With razor-sharp teeth, they hunt in packs. In the 1970s, a bus crashed into the Amazon River in Brazil. Reports said the people inside were eaten by piranhas. In my travels around the globe, I've found that there are giant man-eating fish where no one would expect them, right under our feet in fresh water. But now it's the turn of the small guys. Could piranhas really kill and eat a human? Amazon legends tell of an evil spirit inhabiting an enormous fish. Taller than a man, it is covered in thick scales and crushes its prey with a tongue made of bone. But with a body of pure muscle, its primary weapon is power. I know because I once survived a crippling encounter with this creature. So now I'm on a mission to add the arapaima fish to the list of river monsters that might kill you. But before I tackle one in the wild, I need to face my fear. So I'm helping these guys net a captive arapaima.
This is a bit like a boxing ring. It's about the same size. There's 35 fish in here, nearly as big as I am. I'm walking forward, which means all the vulnerable bits of my body, you know, a boxer would be covering them up. Okay, that's going well. Right, they're going to start jumping any minute, he's saying. Any minute they're going to start jumping. Set it. There we go. That's it. There you go. Feel something? Yeah. It's a fish. Turtle. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, it's gone under the boat. Keep the tip away. Soak me, I'm here. 4 feet above the water, I got a splashing. Yes!
Finally, it seems I am going to get face to face with my river monster. Just as dusk turns to night, I set my eyes on the giant fish.
Do you want me to?
The most dangerous part of gull fishing is bringing the fish aboard the boat.
Coming over. Oh, there we go. That's what we wanted.
That's exactly what we wanted.
That is exactly what we wanted. That's a proper size fish.
As the gar comes aboard, it thrashes its snout from side to side, exposing its teeth, just like the 3-footer that got me on Bubba's boat.
This fish is almost 7 feet long.
That's lovely, isn't it? Single hook.
Single hook.
Single hook. We've done it. Fantastic, Mark. That was really... Ooh. Right.
It's just remarkable.
That is something, isn't it? Oh, I've never seen anything like this in my life before. It's a cod, what they call a cod down here, a Queensland groper. Look at that. This fish. I mean, talk about river monsters. This thing is a monster, and just an amazing catch, and particularly from a river. Just, you know, this thing really is a river monster. The rod's jammed in. This is physical stuff. Physical work. It's coming up. Strong fish, but I think it's tiring. Tiring. There it is. There's the fish. Hey. Good grief, my crutch is killing me. And there it is. The measure of the beast, that is 7 foot 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 foot 4 inches.
And then you open the mouth, you know?
I can actually hear the echo coming out of the mouth there. Hello, hello. And I can see its gullet opening and closing. If I was so inclined, I could put my fist down there quite easily. That is an eating machine. The whole thing is nearly 8 foot of just solid rippling muscle. If that grabbed hold of your leg, that's an unpleasant enough thought, but if that decided not to let go and you were swimming, you'd be history.
In the heart of the Brazilian Amazon, a truck makes a solemn path towards the local police station. It carries a macabre load, the corpse of a man. But the circumstances of his death are bizarre in the extreme. Fearing accusations of murder, the fishermen have taken the body to the police station in the exact condition they found it. Just a pair of legs protruding from the mouth of a vast catfish.
Something very powerful in here. Try and relax and keep a bit calm. It's a crunch. I'm going to have to go for a swim. That is